Ideally you should start studying from today. You should be already studying, but let's assume you start from here also. From here up till the May 6th that we have, खुद से या हमारे साथ, you should be done with one thorough reading of all 19 subjects. After that, again, either with us or on your own, from May 11th or up till June 16th, you should be done with one thorough revision. ये वो lengthy वाले revisions है, when you are doing everything from Q Bank to complete rapid revision notes to GTs to TNDs. Again, yourself or with us, that is entirely your option. But you have to finish your first full revision. Full revision मतलब कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा, जैसा जैसा main videos में या rapid revision में पढ़ा था, same you have revised. By June 16th you are done, and then you realize even after that I'm left with what, half of June, then July, and then entire August also. So 2.5 months I'm still left with. In that 2.5 months, as I told you, you are going to go in for 2 to 3 revisions, which will automatically start becoming shorter. अब इसमें एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, which before you ask me, I will only tell you. All of you keep asking me about the 20th notebook, whatever you want to call it, छोटी copy, 20th notebook, last minute revision notebook, अपना अपना नाम, the crux of the matter is the same. 20th notebook, कुछ लोग ऐसे written बनाते हैं कि I will make my 20th notebook and I will write things in it, and most students are writing the entire syllabus in it. 20th notebook has become like another medicine, jitna mota copy, which is not making any sense. Either you are only writing topics. Again, some strategies, when I take success story interviews, I'm of course trying to gather information from students for you guys, कि उनसे क्या हम सीख सकते हैं, what can I pass on to you. So there were some students who were making this kind of a 20th notebook, while the others who were smarter, because they guessed कि हम 20th notebook बनाते बनाते we make an entire syllabus into a thick 500-page notebook which is not making sense. Then they decided that we do the highlight technique, and I think this is also beautiful. What they've been doing, they take a very weird color ka highlighter, maybe something like a fluorescent green or a fluorescent pink, which not many use, and then they highlight 10 sentences on every page, 5 to 10 sentences on every page, and that is what they revise, and that automatically becomes their 20th notebook or choti copy. So if you have a page of, let's say, cell injury, you've highlighted 10 points कि अच्छा apoptosis का marker पढ़ना है, then coagulative necrosis पढ़ना है, then step ladder pattern पढ़ना है. So that is how 10 things that you've highlighted, and on the last day, imagine if you have, let's say you have 100 pages of pathology, 5 lines per page. So now you're just going through 500 bullet points. That's it. Rather than writing it in a copy, then coming back to your main copy, that is also something that works beautifully. So to each his own. I'm giving you options on how you can make your life a little easier. So you have to pick up and be smart.